Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to sign up for your own DeepSeek AI, and it's pretty simple. So you head onto their website, it's called deepseek.com. You press the start now button right here, or you can get the application in your phone. So from there you will have to sign in, and due to large malicious attacks on DeepSeek services, registration might get busy and you won't be able to sign up. But of course you can sign up easily here using your phone number or email address and using a password or signing up right here or using your Google. Once you have done that, it's simple. You're already in the app and that's it. So you will use DeepSeek AI just like your actual ChatGPT. So you can also use the DeepSeek R1. So what is the date last year from today? And there you go. It'll answer your actual questions like usual, and there's nothing really different. It still has the censorship, but due to that, you will have to note that this is made in China, and Chinese laws have different censorships, so you're not allowed to ask some other details about something offensive, and sometimes it has other political views, which I've seen. So yeah, that's basically it, and this is how you use your DeepSeek AI and how to sign up. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.